Hi guys. So in this video I'll talk about our time in Maldives. So when we landed in Maldives, right? So I had seen videos on these Maldives um, trips that people had taken up. So both like for tourism as well as people who are in the same situation as us, like using it as a transit point. So we were really excited about our time in Maldives, especially with the fact that there's water everywhere, right? So whatever hotel, villa, resort that you pick, it will have the ocean facing view, right, where you can take a look at the water or even go in the water. So that was very exciting. So our hotel, so I had booked the hotel very close to the airport. So I didn't book a private island villa or a hotel because since I was traveling with my mother, so I didn't want the the boat ride to be very eventful, because I had seen people talking about how adventurous these boat rides could be. Like if you don't come back at the airport on time, right? Like the last boat ride would be at a particular time, right? So you need to follow the timing, and if it gets dark and if it's raining and stuff, so it's not really a fun ride always. And plus we had the bags and all. So that's the reason I booked a hotel close to the airport. So it was by road itself, like the pickup and drop, right? So that was yeah, the story about the hotel. So when we entered the hotel, I mean, it was a good hotel, right? So people were talking in English at the airport, not sorry, at the hotel, not so much at the airport. So I was really concerned, like these guys don't speak English, so it will be tough to communicate. So luckily at the hotel they were speaking enough English to manage your day to day. So yeah, at the airport he was very clear. I mean, he was very brief and gave us all the information that we needed even before we had any questions. I literally didn't have any questions at the reception. So he made it so clear, like this is the time that you need to come for your RT-PCR test. This is your room number. This is your key. The baggage will be picked up and helped for your whatever to drop at your room. And then the food, everything, like it was very clear, and when to check out and stuff. So, and he was very good also. I think there were two or three people who were on shift or whatever, like different times. So yeah, it was the check-in process was fairly quick and very what do you call informative. So so that was done, and the hotel was very good, guys. So I have taken like the room was very good. So I have taken a video on how the room looked like, and the balcony view of that hotel, like our room, was amazing. It was directly facing the ocean, and in fact there was a separate small little pool that they had. I don't know, they created specifically for the hotel or not, but there was a walkway which was separating the ocean from the hotel pool area. So it was a beautiful sight when we reached the balcony, right? And it was close to like 4:30 or something when we reached the room, and we could see the sunset. So it was facing the west side. So literally, it was right in front of us. Like as soon as I opened the doors, it was right in front of us. The sunset. We got to see the sunset. It was very beautiful, guys. So yeah, everything about the room was good. There was no complaints. It was very nice. And yeah, regarding the food as well, whatever was included in the package, It was good, but obviously not the best of vegetarian food that you can get elsewhere. But if you're traveling and transiting, so it's good enough. Like the standard, whatever they offer for international folks. So that kind of vegetarian food we had. Like there was rice, dal fry, and then one or two curries and sabjis as well. So it was okay, and there were starters, there were desserts. So overall, it was a good experience with the food. And the hotel facilities, it was amazing. I mean, we couldn't use everything, but when we were just taking a walk, right, around the hotel, so there was swimming pool and a separate swimming pool plus the pool by the ocean, and then there were nice sit outs, and there were a lot of what do you call, small little food stalls, and then there was gym and like tennis and all these other things, but yeah, we couldn't use that. We just took a view of those facilities, and yeah, so most of the time we were just walking in and around the airport, sorry, in and around the hotel area. So I did take a walk outside the airport, the street which connects the airport. Actually, it was like when I went outside the hotel and I stood on the road there. The road ended near the airport, so I could see the hotel, sorry, the airport right in the distance. So it was that close. So yeah, I mean that's about the hotel. Um, yeah, and then on time we took our RT-PCR at around 7:30, whatever time they provided. So one thing I realized quickly that the local time is 1 hour behind the India time. So on my watch and on my phone, everywhere it was like India time. So we were very tired, so we just went and we just took a nap and we were relaxing. And then suddenly when we woke up, it was 7. So then I realized that no, we still have an hour, right? Because the local time there is like 1 hour behind. So good that I realized that. Otherwise, yeah, it would be interesting. I mean, it wouldn't impact that much because India time is ahead. So anyways, we would be downstairs 1 hour early and not the other way around. But yeah, I got that realization. So we got the RT-PCR done, and they said next day morning it will be available. So yeah, after the RT-PCR, we had the dinner, and then next day morning, whatever time they said, it was available. It was negative. That was a big relief. So because of our onward journey, so after we got the result, that's when we had relaxed minds to actually go out and explore. So we checked out from the hotel at around 12 o'clock, and then we started exploring the hotel facilities. We went by the pool and the ocean view. So there was an observation, not an observation deck, but there was a deck area which had a good view of the ocean. So we were just spending our time there, and yeah, at around 5 o'clock, we said that yeah, we would like to start to the airport like 3 hours before the departure time. And yeah, we got the bus, and it took us to the airport on time. And yeah, that's where we were done with our hotel, guys. So it was a good experience overall. There was no issue at all with the hotel, guys. It was very, very nice. Even the staff was very good, including the folks at the restaurant over there. So the hotel name was Hotel. I don't know if you pronounce it that way, but it's spelled Hule, something like that. So yeah, it was a good experience there.